I'm going to show you how to install the plastic covers on those air vents that located underneath the seats. So this is a Chinese plastic covers. That have the double tape on it. And this is the other one. Okay, so this is how it looks like, with a double tape to secure. And in order to install, so we're gonna pull this one up to get it out. So the seat has to be folded in towards the steering wheel all the way towards the front. And this is a cover. So in order to not get anything in here that will get plugged, I will install those covers just like that. Okay, now we're gonna go on this side like that and finish it like that. There we go. This is the covers, and now I just need to install it back. That's it. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and I just wanted to show you how it's looking like. So this is after installation. And this is before installation. Okay. Now I'm gonna pull this cover. Now we have to match this side like that, and we're gonna start on this side and finish it on this side. That's it. Okay, this is how it's looking like. So now I'm gonna fold the seat back. And this is how it's gonna look like after the seat folds back.